lived in a quiet neighborhood. Every morning, she watered the flowers in her garden. She loved the fresh smell of the roses and the bright colors of the tulips. One Saturday, a moving truck arrived next door. A young man stepped out. He smiled and waved at Anna. She waved back. "Hi, I'm Daniel," he said. "I just moved in." "I'm Anna." "Welcome to the neighborhood," she replied. Anna looked at the truck. "Do you need help?" she asked. "That would be great," Daniel said. "This is my dog, Max. He is friendly, but he barks a lot." Max wagged his tail and barked once. Anna laughed. "Hello, Max." Daniel carried a box. Anna grabbed another. They worked together for an hour. After the last box was inside, they sat on the porch. "Thank you," Daniel said. "You're very kind." "You're welcome," Anna smiled. "It's nice to meet new people." Later, Anna told her family about the new neighbor. "He seems really nice," she said, "and his dog is cute." The next day, Daniel knocked on Anna's door. "Would you like to go for a walk?" he asked. "Sure," she said. "Let me grab my jacket." Anna and Daniel walked down the street with Max. They talked about school, work, and their favorite hobbies. Daniel liked painting. Anna liked music. "Do you play an instrument?" he asked. "Yes," she answered. "I play the piano. My brother plays the guitar. We both enjoy music." "That's cool," Daniel said. "I paint in my free time. My sister does too. She paints landscapes." "That's amazing," Anna replied. "I would love to see your art sometime." "I'll show you," Daniel smiled. As the sun set, they returned to their houses. Max wagged his tail again and barked happily. Daniel said, "Thank you for the walk. It was fun." Anna nodded. "Let's do it again soon." From that day on, Anna and Daniel became good friends. They often met for walks, talked about their lives, and helped each other. Max became friends with Anna's cat Snowy. They played in the garden while their owners chatted nearby. Anna's mother said, "It's nice to see you making new friends." "Yes," Anna said. "They are both great, Daniel and Max." Pronouns used in the story. Subject pronouns. I, he, she, it, we, they. Object pronouns. Me, him, her, us, them. Possessive pronouns. My, his, her, their. Your. Reflexive, emphatic, light. Herself, himself, not included here for simplicity. Demonstrative pronoun example. This, used in dialogue. "This is my dog Max." Good grammar builds great connections, just like Anna and Daniel in the story. When we use pronouns well, our words flow better and feel more natural. Every new word is like a new neighbor. It gets easier with practice and makes your English world bigger.